The Adventures of Pulford. It's a Cats Wind Chime burglar alarm system. Falcon! Ooh! Go on, move it. Falcon! Move the wood. Falcon! There. Well, he doesn't like it. Well, those are shastia daisies. And I have company. I have Tigger. And the chicks that don't get suffocated because they're not male egg layers. And Mickey Mouse has come. Well, that's the ideal house, yes, without fences, without neighbours. But one has to compromise. Anyway, where was I? Oh, radio's going. Those are wild geraniums. That is Talacre shells. And of course, the clucking on Palace sign is back. Fair would approve, ma chère. Wow, those are very old roses. Oh, hello, boyo. Right, where was I? Oh, la 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 la. Yes. Well, Mr. Snail, the medium-sized slug. Eewee. Lupin. Rosemaries. Mint. I have planted an awful lot of things out back, but out front as well. I've got to finish the protection. That's the mint. Those are geraniums. Oh, the garden, the bees don't like those. And I've pushed the trons and various chives and basil. Oh no, no, that's not basil. Basil doesn't like direct sun. That is thyme. It's not the Greek thyme. I have the special Greek thyme. That's absolutely fabulous out the back. But anyway, we have. What do we have here? We have Piggy Wiggies. Of course, the solar batteries never last. We have Tinkle Tinkle Wind Chime. That was from Harden Garden Centre a few years back. Hello, the vegan cat. Hello, la Mimi. La petite Mimi. La vilaine. La vilaine. Oh, la vilaine. Yeah, she stuck her claws into me, the horrid little thing. Yes, it's better to use that than my books as scratch pads. Yes. That is the vegan cat, of course. 5 years old. Oh, well, that's some lounger. I shall go to sleep on it. I might as well sleep out in the... Oh, I do like it. The old time gets woody, but it's still very fragrant when you sit next to it. Anyway, I've got to wrap those huge rosemaries with towels. Yes! Well, honestly, if you keep too close to me, you'll get stepped on. Then you won't be pleased, will you? No. Oh, yes. Well, lots of water. Parsleys, sage, rosemary and thyme. Remember me to one who was here. There. Yes. Well, she's always with me. Well.